Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. What's shaking bacons? We are down a little bit this morning. Shocker. We've been calling for this for a little while now. We have been long the VXX. My advice to everybody was to get out of 90% of it this morning, which we did. We actually shorted a little bit up there. I don't know. I don't think this is anything major. I mean, the spiders, if we got to 432, would have been a 5% correction. Kind of hoping we spike back down, guys. Always more opportunities when the market's going down than it's going up. We'll see what happens. CDC, we were long CDC. Our average price was $6.13. We sold a bunch of it over $7. Now we have a tiny little position in it. I mean, SDC. Yeah, we made a nice trade in that. Still have a tiny position left. Traded at $8 this morning. $8.24 pre-market. I'm not running into short anything, guys and girls, because I have no idea what this market's doing off the opening. None whatsoever. This is a morning to just relax. I mean, I don't want to get caught in anything either way. I'd love to see the spider spike all the way down, but we'll see what happens. Every day, Myrna, the first move, does this, right? Look at this thing. Smacks all the way down, rips all the way up. If you average into your Myrna, start selling some at your break-even price. Look at this thing. Insane. It just spiked up to $426. Good luck trading that one. Oh, my God. This is what I mean about being patient. That would have been an instant stop out if we shorted it. All right? Let's see what happens. I know the VIX's are short anytime it goes up, so. I'm surprised the first move in Myrna was up like that. I was hoping it would have been down. What's Tesla done? Nothing. Some of our dream trades have been taken away like dust in the wind. EMP, AMC, wah, 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 wah. Airlines are spiking on the travel lift restrictions or something that he just announced. QQQs, yeah, well, I mean, it would have been a decent short up at 368.76. UPST, doing the stupid thing. Yeah, I like that. UPST 295.50. Just keep everything very small in the morning. What stock you buy at 503, Ray? NVAX 231.67. All right, and then you got 234 above that in NVAX. Keep it small. These things can spike right through your levels. I like 234 in NVAX. We'll do that small. Keep everything small this morning. 231.66 would have been nice. It's got a $3 spread too. Jeez Louise. Just missed the 381 level. Sava? I don't know, I got nothing in Sava. It's a nice bounce, but I don't see anything at the moment. IRNT. Whoa. Well, that's only $1. Looks bigger than that. IRNT. Wow, Myrna would have been beautiful, guys. Yeah. 25.20, very small in IRNT to take a look. And if it holds, we can add more. 25.20 IRNT. Apple bouncing. Yeah, again, I'm not running in and shorting any of these things early. What do you want to do? Apple 145.40 could be a short. UPST, spike up, spike down. Didn't quite get to any level. All right. Not going to do it. Rip spiders. Dip UVX. Well, that's why you always sell 6. What's Zivo? Z-I-V-O. In Zivo? Where? What? How? When? I don't see it. I didn't see the post, Lou. I missed it. Ford, not something we're ever going to day trade. Kind of dead. Oh, a break is 650. All right. So you got 25 cents on it. All right. I got you. Wackadoodle so far this morning, guys. Again, not in a hurry. It is what it is. Last week was absolutely spectacular as far as trading is concerned. One of our big trades last week was shorting the Boyle. If you guys remember when we were on Wednesday, it was $80. Right? We shorted that stock right at just about the high. That was a nice trade for us. All right, Lou, nobody else is in Zivo. We don't care. Oh, stand up, David. I see a whole lot of nothing going on, guys. Did the market open? Lucid, spike up, spike down. It's not a trade. Don't know what to do in Myrna. 429. Look at that. Was that a real sale of 429, guys, in Myrna? No way. Maybe it was. Holy crap. Look at that off the 200 EMA. Stock went down $6 in 2 seconds. Wow. NVEX missed by 60 cents and gave a $7 trade. Look at this, guys. All right? It got to 231. Right to the 65 EMA. Went down $6. Oh, I'm on the 15 minutes. Sorry, Ken. Oh, it missed by 50 cents. Yep. Went down $5. $5. Airlines, so much for that. Look how Delta got right to the pivot point. Went down $1 from 37.74. Now, we are in nowhere's land in everything, guys. Nowhere's land. I know, Alex, but it missed it by a penny or two. Myrna gave $5 off the VWAP, yes. But it also spiked $3 above that, Myrna. You would have got stopped out, Joseph. Baba, I mean, I'd like to see far from moving average in Baba. Right around 151 probably. This is the recent all-time, not recent all-time low, but a recent low now in Baba, right? But it's not stretched out for a swing trade or anything yet. Awful quiet in Benzinga land, guys and girls. There's just nothing going on right now. It happens. Look at BNTX. We missed that one too. Off the 200 for $8. SQ, what do you got? 250.87. Okay, you can try 250.87 in SQ small. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, we got to be patient this morning. Let's just let them set up. It's all right. Not every morning, not every day is going to be a home run. Every one of these stocks that spike up exactly hit one of our levels and went down at multiple dollars. I would give bros a few minutes, but you want to try small at 42. Again, it's not 9:45 yet for trend trade, so anything I did, I would do small right now. If it holds, it's fine. But you can try small with tight stops. NVEX right back up. Would you like that 231.60 again in NVEX? Everybody all right with that? Not second time up, Alex. All right, how about 234? Oh, I have it out there, 234. That's good. Not seeing any comments on our Benzinga, guys. Come on. What's going on? Talk to me, gooses. Is the comment box broken? The last thing I see is Lucid at 9:34. There's no way that nobody else made a comment in the last 4 minutes. Something's not right. Yeah, it's all right. NVAX is spready. We'll do it with our limit order up there. Aaron, is the comment box not working? Can you guys hear me? Give me some ones if you can hear me. Ah, there we go. Something wasn't right. Apple? No, I wouldn't buy Apple now. I mean, if I didn't buy it at 143, I'm not buying it at 145. You know what I'm saying? Again, guys and girls, it's just one of those mornings. There's not a lot to do. It happens. What do we got in Softy? 299.20. I like that short, guys. 200 EMA. Microsoft short, 299.20. Full amount of shares in that one. It's good. Crypto bouncing. Yeah, I mean, everything bounced well off the lows this morning, including the spiders. I mean, they took the easy trades away. Now we're in more difficult. Now we're in a more difficult situation as far as trading is concerned and shorting. Nah, there are no falling knives anymore. There were this morning, but now Microsoft, we could have a 50-cent stop. No more than that. It's good. That's it. All the excitement was in the first 10 seconds on the shorts. Now we're kind of just sitting here, right? Bros. Everything's a bloody mess, guys. What are you going to do? Cold last week was the trade. And cold. We were long this thing at $8.20, guys. We had a huge trade in that last week. I was on with everybody telling them to short boil. It was one of our best picks. We swung the cold long from $8.20. Microsoft going up again. All right, do it. Yep, spiders are taking off like a rocket ship. Wow. So much for being down. That lasted all of about what, guys? 5 minutes? All of about 5 minutes for the crusher this morning. Crazy. Oh, this is what a bull market is, guys. This is what a bull market is. We can't get pullbacks. I think you're right, Jim. It'll take an alien invasion for the market to go down substantially. Well, we say VXX is a short every time the market goes up, right? Every single time. Crazy. Myrna, 434, far from moving average. I would love that, Jim. We ain't getting there. Microsoft ain't getting there. Myrna's a better buy. NVAX is dead. UPST 301.50 short. Love it. I'm all over that with you. Yes. So we're looking for technical analysis to get into all of our trades. So UPST at 301.50 will be up $10. Again, UPST, you got to give it at least $2. So keep it small. 301.60. Look to make a quick buck or two on it if it goes in that direction. Bought and sold. Bought and sold. Which one? Elite Trading. Netflix. Sal, what are you doing? You're awful quiet. No, Netflix is a bloody mess. I got nothing. Pfizer. Again, Pfizer setting up for a better buy than sell. It's not stretched. 45.12 would be a short in Pfizer. If we go in that this morning. Miss Myrna this morning. Miss Myrna on the sell short, we had a lot of 265 where it's sitting. Yeah. And it ain't going up. And UPST is not going up. And Myrna is not going up. And, well, nobody cares if you trade it, so. SoFi, yeah. SoFi sitting right here. We're down to a little bit of our SoFi in our swing trade, too. That was another nice, really nice trade we had. I hear you, Sally. Look, Apple's my biggest long-term holding. I've had it forever. I've bought and sold over the years. You know, long-term, if Apple can get down to the like 132 level, I would start buying it again. Daily charts around 133. So that's where I'd start swinging it again. I mean, we're nowhere near anything, guys. You guys are in SQ? Where are you in SQ, guys? 250, 250 is a little spot in SQ. That's the pivot point. 250, 250. That'd be up $5. AMC. Again, AMC looks like it's a better buy than sell. I don't think I'd short it here. Maybe for a quick trade. But it's going so slow too, right? Mara. Again, Mara's probably setting up for a better buy now. It's not a short. 35 Mara is a short. 35.10. Mara is a short. Guys, 35.10. Again, if I'm not putting all these out, it doesn't mean they're not good. Roblex. I mean, could have been a little short at 80. I like 80, 84 better. Yes. Could be setting up for a trend trade. Yes, yes, yes. You're welcome, Kyle. Hippo, give me the symbol in Hippo. I don't, HIPO. If you like Hippo, this is a lottery ticket. You buy it, you put it away. Not something we'll ever trade. So that could go in your, I don't care if I lose all my money portfolio. NVIDIA looks good on the trend. Let's see. All right. Again, we're chopping around in everything right now, guys and girls. You know, those quick shorts on the opening were the only trades that I saw lining up. Otherwise, I got nothing, guys and girls. I really do. I got nothing. We're right in the middle of everything. Spiders made their big move up. Now we're kind of just hanging out. So what's the first rule we learn about trading, guys, if nothing is setting up to do? What's the first rule? Sit on your hands. It is what it is. BB, not a trade. It's another one. You throw it in your I don't give a crap portfolio. If you like BB. Go all in. Yes, go all in when there's nothing to do. We all were. I was hoping that the spiders would crack down too. Myrna, I like down, 421, 419, Myrna. You guys like that? I like that in Myrna. If we go in that direction. Not every day is going to be a major home run. No position is a position, guys. Right? 419.50, I like Myrna, guys. If we go all the way down there. 419.50. Yep. You got 421 and 419.20. So I like 419.50. Give it a buck or two, as always. IRNT. Cancel. That ain't happening. Surf was popping. Surf. Let's go surfing now. Everybody's surfing. Yeah, all right. Dell. Nothing. Tesla. Dead. Neo. Dead. Wow, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for Myrna. I mean, I saw it just bounced off the VWAP, 422.68. but I wanted it lower than that. Myrna, we give $2. So adjust accordingly. Nope, Elver, no trade so far. I got nothing. Yeah, the airlines are ripping up again. AAL, it's a better buy than sell. 41.50 DAL short. I like that one. 41.40 Delta short. I'd be a little aggressive up there. I'm putting 300 shares out for a trade. 41.40 Delta. 30-cent stop. Stop a trend trade. What time is it? Yeah, I mean, it's 9:49. 46.50 small in SAVA. 46.50 small. DoorDash. Setting up for a better buy than sell. I don't see any resistance. Ethereum. It bounced this morning a little bit with Bitcoin, but not doing anything right now. Ethereum, if we look on the daily chart, guys, right? 28.20 was our daily chart in Ethereum. Look where it traded this morning, 28.21. Missed it by a penny on our daily chart. Wow. Palantir. Yeah, I'll give you my thoughts on the overall spiders. Palantir is not a trade. It's sitting in the middle of everything. Melissa. Guys, nobody wants to trade more than I do. Okay, you guys know that. No, DDD's dead. It's sitting, not doing anything. But I am never going to push a button unless our technicals tell us. We'll talk about something else if it stays slow. All right, let's look at the spiders on the daily chart. So our support, which we obviously blasted through this morning, was 438. Okay, so now we're at 436. We need to recapture, which isn't hard. We can do this in 2 seconds, right? 437.20. And we're back over the 15 EMA a little longer term. 437.20. But a close below this weekly 15 EMA is not going to be pretty. 392 is my target if we have a correction. Then we're down, 45, 50 points. That's 11% correction. Takes us to 392. That would be an 11% correction. But we reverse this if we close above 437. So that's my thoughts on the spiders. If we get back above 437, it's a run-of-the-mill 3% pullback, and it means nothing. So UPST. Yes, 290.180 can try in UPST. Oh, you like 290.260, Lou? All right. 290.260 small, 290.180. Myrna's coming in. Let's see if we still like Myrna. I do. I still like Myrna. Yeah, Mike, it could, okay? Yes. If we stay below the weekly 15 in spiders, it could be the first time closing below all of our moving averages. Again, so far, every time we've done this, look, the last time we broke the 15 by a little bit was back here, and guess where the averages were? 392. Well, that's exactly where the first real support is. So it's an important day. We got to see where we close. If we can close above 437, it's like, pull back to the 15 EMA. That's it. That's what it is. So, Michael, I don't know yet. We're hanging. Myrna bounced. Delta's not happening. UPSD. Apple's coming in now. I don't like Apple. What are you guys doing? UPST 290.260? Okay. It's not getting there. EMA settings, Ray Lears. We use 4 moving averages. A 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential. Those are all our moving averages. All right. 9, 15, 65, and 200 exponential. Then we use pivot points. Those are the dotted lines that you see. And relative strength. And that's it. That's all the technical analysis that we use. I think we're right above. Oh, Facebook. What do we got? Don't we have a daily coming up in Facebook right here soon? 358. Just broke that. Oh, there it is. 355.90 is weekly in Facebook. Putting it out. That would be a far from moving average trade too, guys. Let's call it 356, and then we'll start looking far from moving average. And that's weekly. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to hold, but we start looking down there for shizzle. 356. That is weekly in Facebook. I'll be down $4 from where we just were. Beyond an AVIR. AVIR, far from moving average trade. Drug stock. AVIR. 40-cent spread in AVIR. It is shortable, but going to be hard to get a far from moving average trade. Keep your eyes on it. If you want to jump in off the 1 minute, it is $1.50 above the moving average. Cold? Yeah, we did our trade in cold, guys. Leave cold alone. I don't see it unless Boyle does something wackadoodle again, all right? It was a trade that we did. It worked beautifully. Stay away. Beyond trend trade. Yeah, Beyond's definitely setting up for a trend trade. Probably just gave you a far from moving average up there also, right? But better buy than sell. OCGN. That's another little one, Dave. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away in your portfolio, you forget you have it. Not day trade. Let me explain for those people who are new here, right? Our concentration is on day trade. We try to find trading setups based on our technical analysis and our moving averages. We want to buy and sell stocks during the day. We do some swing trading, which we talked about a few of them that we did. We were long cold at $8. It went to 10. We were long VXX thinking we'd get this correction at $25.66. We sold most of it this morning. So we do a little bit of everything, guys. But mostly we're concentrating on day trading. How many people who are with us today are actively trading in Benzinga? Actively trading. Pop in a 1. Yes, Microsoft is good, 295. Let's put it out. I like it. I type in some 1s if you're actively trading. Give me a 1. Give me a 1. Give me a 1. Yes, I like Facebook still. 295.10 Microsoft, guys. 295.10. All right, so a lot of us are actively trading. Morning, Diane. Yeah, that's where we are, Solomon. I have an order out already. We're going to look far from moving average if we get there in Facebook. I'm sure committed to my Apple puts. Again, UVXY, we had our swing trade in VXX. I mean, I would love to see this market spike down now. Let's go. Look at this, guys and girls. Interesting. Right? Interesting. Market's not going down. I mean, we went down a little bit, and look how the VIX's spiking. So what is that telling us, guys and girls? This is a good lesson. Market is not really coming in that much, yet the VIX is spiking. So what that's telling us is people are buying a lot of protection in this market now. They're starting to get a little bit nervous. Yes. I like to shorten UPST 301.80. Yes, yes, yes. Well, it's not that it's scared. It's just that they're starting to buy a little protection. More than it would, the market is showing us right here. It's weird. But we've seen this before. There's Sydney. What's up, Sydney? Miss you. putting on their seatbelts. Coin. Yes, I would love coin at 240.02. We ain't getting there. Don't look like we're getting there in Facebook. Don't look like we're getting there in Microsoft. What would I consider buying protection, Kevin? Hey, Kevin, by the way, thank you for signing up for the room. I got you today. We'll talk a little bit later. Got to get you a bunch of the notes and stuff. This is our last week before boot camp. Next week is our boot camp where I teach the entire course live in the private trading room. Boom, chakalaka laka. Good morning, Tony. How are you? All right, you guys in UPST at 301.80. You know you got to give this a couple bucks. Have like 301.10 out to cover some because this thing is wackadoodle. You know that. I'm looking for setups. Haven't seen anything great. We haven't even traded yet this morning. Just a very strange market. Yeah, Jay, I agree with you. I mean, we've been in it, Jay. I mean, we were in the VIXY at $26 and change. I'm not in a hurry to run in and buy it at, $29. We made our trade. I called before NVIDIA below the 9. I called before. What does that mean? What does that mean? I know we never got into the trend trade, though, Nestor. I am not in a hurry to do anything. I got nothing. I got nothing. I don't trust any of these moves anywhere, up, down, or sideways right now. I am relaxing. Something sets up, it sets up. Cypher, I have room for anyone from Benzinga for my boot camp. We'll talk before we get out of here. Let's see if we get any trade setups first. I think the upset was the far from moving average trade that just worked. Up at 304. Just enough to freaking stop you out. It's stupid. Actually, it didn't. It missed stopping you out. It went up $2. Looked like it went up just shy of that. Yeah, all right. SDC is a swing trade that we're in. We have a little bit left. Softy not coming in our direction. Facebook is hanging. Beyond trend trade, let's look. Yes, Beyond is definitely a better buy than sell. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I mean, it went up $2 by like 5 cents, guys. Are the webinars still every Thursday? Yes, 2D short. Every Thursday night, anyone who buys the course, we have our mentorship at 5 p.m. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Too short. Yeah, Beyond trend trade is definitely setting up for a trend trade. So the buy and Beyond is like 113.03, 112.50. Facebook, yeah, still out. We're going to look far from moving average down there in Facebook. Okay, so we're not jumping in. I'm just buying it very small, 356. That'll be $2 away from the moving average. But I want it fast, guys. This is going to kind of just hang out here. 354 is a really good spot in Facebook. So it's just a marker, guys. All right. We still only have a 32 RSI. So, and we just missed it by 24 cents. It's not even stretched out down there. We don't have the RSI yet. So let's go 335, Facebook. Okay, I don't like 336 anymore. Let's do 335 to start looking. And 334 I love. We're aggressive buyers at 334. 335 we'll start taking a look. And only for a far from moving average trade. Ava, I think we got to be a little careful on the buy side now, guys. The spiders are starting to come in a little bit, right? We're losing some levels. VIXY just made a new high. So VIXY's definitely set up for a better buy than sell. 31, we start shorting VIXY for a trade. 31. Yeah, I think 355 Facebook will about have the 80 RSI. So let's see what happens. I got it. I got Facebook. I know I put it in $1 wrong. Softy, what are we doing? Still like Softy. That's fine. Lucid, yes. Wow, very strong Lucid. Bucking the trend in the market. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks great. Looks great on daily. Looks great on weekly. So I would be a buyer on any pullback in Lucid. Thing looks very good. Very good. Bros trending. All right. Bros is starting to trend. Yes. Definitely a better buy than selling Bros. 466 is a short. Yeah, the spiders are coming in. GameStop, 201.75, Diane. Oh, I had 202.88. But you're 201.75, so it seemed to work. Yeah, again, SDC is a swing trade for us that we have a little bit left. I wouldn't mind starting the VIX at 30, Sid, and adding to it. I'm just saying, you know, we're $1.50 off our lows in the spiders. VIX might be 31 if we go down to our lows. So people are jumping in for protection again. Facebook, if we get down there, Buffalo, I just want to look. We're going to look for a far from moving average trade. If we get to 435. Bros, where do we like Bros? Well, if you really like Bros, 43.50 is what it broke through to go up. It could hold on the way down, and then $43. If you are thinking to trade, don't go get some coffee, turn the volume, and just listen. If you're a beginning trader, yeah, that's my suggestion. Hang out. You know, anyone who purchases our course gets our continued mentorship every Thursday night forever. Do you use Benzinga Pro every day to trade? And if so, how do you use it to your advantage? Yes, Tom. And everybody in this room should at least have a free trial to Benzinga Pro. You're silly if you don't. You can set up any of 50 different scanners with Benzinga Pro, and the new service is almost second to none. So it's like another tool. It's like having a moving average or a pivot point. But yes, 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 yes. GameStop. 202.86 would be the short. Yes. All right, what are we doing in Bros, guys? What do you want to do? Yeah, I mean, I think Bros is okay on a pullback to the 43.52 now, probably. Let's do that small. Stock's going up, the market's going down. All right, you know what? 43.10 Bros. That's the trend. All right. Let's do the trend in Bros. Stock seems to be stronger than the overall market. You know, unless the market starts getting bagel schmeared. Kathy Wounds. Oh, that's funny. Myrna double top. I just missed Myrna double top, if not doing it. 429.60. Yep. I do not like pot stocks. Haven't traded them in a long time. Why I guess the vaccine stocks are staying strong. Tesla bounce 740.70. Could be a spot. Softy coming in. Good. We like 295.10 in Softy. Faster the better. As in right now would be nice. Do it. Keep your eyes on Softy, guys, because I want it on this pop down. Facebook turning back down again also. Bros staying strong, right? Tide is not coming in. Ha, 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 ha. How's Kathy Woods doing today? How's coin doing? Not bad. Yes, we want speed, speed, speed. We want Microsoft on this bop down. Do it. Do it. Do it. Very weird, guys. Stop in Microsoft 50 cents. We don't need more than that. My guess is we're not going to get it. It's going to come close and stop. Let's see what happens. Facebook at 355. We're going to have that relative strength getting stretched down there. Look, bottom line, Facebook, 354 is the pivot point, right? That's the real good spot. But we keep getting these little bounces. Look, Softy just bounced. It got to 29, what? 259.20 and bounced. Short what? What are you shorting, Brian? And everything bounced a little bit, right? Facebook just bounced. Look, here's the bottom line. Tell you what we're doing. For lack of anything else to do, this market's just dead. It's dead. Yep, Softy missed by 20 cents. Facebook bouncing. No volume in Bros? There's plenty of volume in Bros. Let's trade 1 million shares already. Apple? Yeah, again, you know, I don't really day trade Apple per se. I love the stock. I've owned it for many, 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 many years. I'd love to see it around the 133 level. Start buying a little back that I sell from time to time. But I don't see it for a day trade. Not yet. Sydney, you can come in and hear my singing anytime you want for the low, low price of, you know. Oh, my back. Softy would have been a great trade, guys. Right? We missed it by 20 cents. Facebook, you know, kind of held 356, kind of. And now we're bouncing up. Just a tough day. Tough, tough, tough. Now we're sitting in the middle of everything. Couldn't get the follow through down. Whoa, IRNT. This thing just decided to go up $3. I'm sure we cannot short it, right, Melissa? Oh, all right. I mean, look, this could be setting up for a better buy now. If it holds like 30.80, it's a better buy. This thing's a little spready, though. Not easy to trade. I wish we were in it. Bros has a big spread for a $43 stock. Let's look. Yeah, it's like 30 cents. You're right. We're not getting it anyway. All right. Yep. Cancel Zevo. Zevo's a nice uptrend now. And again, if you like this one, put it away. You can short IRNT. Of course you can, Sid. Well, sitting right on the first level right now at 32 for a trade ski. OPAD. Oh, this was a high flyer OPAD, right? That got the smackdown. Yeah, $21. This looks better now, too. OPAD. OPAD looks all right now. Looks like a better buy than sell. Crazy. This whole market's crazy right now. Coin and Doku. Coin, the daily and weekly chart is a little weak in coin. I don't see anything here. I'm not a buyer of coin at any level. Not for me. Beyond is a trend. Yes, you can buy Beyond on the trend. BNTX. Tested 350 now, what, 3 times and backed off all 3 times? Wow. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, BNTX better buy, guys, if it pulls back to like 345. BNTX. It's a better buy down there. Nope, no trades today, Elva. Boeing short on the 200. Let me look. Boeing. No, don't short Boeing on the 200. It's already been above that, right? AMD's dead, guys. Microsoft is dead, sitting in the middle of everything. UPST. Trend trade 295.50 is good in UPST. Let's put it out. I like it. UPST 295.50. Do a full trade there. I like it. If we pull back. Ken and Saul, are you guys okay today? There's nothing going on, guys. That's why we're not hearing from them. Uber looks like a better buy than sell for a day trade. Yes, I like it. Looks better. Hood, I got nothing. Bouncing up, bouncing down. There's nothing here. Zillow. Zillow looks like a nice uptrend now. So it would be a better buy on a pullback. You know, 95.40 is a spot to buy a little Zillow for a nice trend trade to the upside. Market heading back down again. VIXY heading back up again. 30.80 or 31, we can start a little VIXY. Oh, the strong stocks aren't coming in very much yet. Dollar stock. Is this a downward trending market? It's starting to get there. It's starting to get there. Bros short, definitely 46.60 bros. All over that. Bros is very strong, guys. Obviously. It's not going down with the rest of the market. But we will short it all the way up there. UPST is strong also. GameStop. GameStop's, oh, look at the short, guys, at 202.84. It got there by a penny. Gave $1.50. Yes, GameStop is strong too. GameStop is very strong. Bros is very strong. Not going down with the rest of the market. Right? UPST is not coming there. Cancel that. Myrna, UVXY. I don't know. You trust Myrna here? Or you want to go down to the 65 in Myrna? That'd be down 9 points. 420.20 Myrna. Is that where we're looking? Alex? What do you like it higher? 422.50 or 422.20? You say the word. I don't think we're getting to either of them. Another one that's strong. I'm not ready to short UVXY yet. I want the market to get a little more bagel smeared here. Yeah, it's bouncing now. I want to see the markets make new lows, guys. Well, we're still $1 above the recent lows, so. No, we are not short sellers in SDC. We have a small swing trade long in this one. Very small. We're making a couple of bucks on it. VIR. Not a stock I'll ever look at. I'll tell you why. It just doesn't trade enough volume for us. But it looks good. It looks good long term. VIR looks good on a daily. Looks good on a weekly. It's a biotech, so it's not going to care about the market. So let's just take a step back for a second here, guys. Bros is a buy. Okay, we want to buy that on a pullback. I definitely like the short at 46.60 though. That would be really stretched out. So Bros is a buy on a pullback 43.50. Strong. Strong stock in a weak market. Myrna strong stock in a weak market if we can get it down to the pivot point. Facebook ugly. See if we can get that stretched down. Oh, Microsoft hit the 295, not even 295.07 and didn't give you a trade anyway. ALB. Don't like ALB, no volume. Bro, where are we doing, bros? 43.50? Yeah, I like that too. That's good. I'll put it out with you. PROS 43.50. Good. Strong, strong, strong. I still like the short though for a trade if we get there. You're in beyond on the trend. Didn't quite get to my 9 yet. My 9 is 113.25 beyond. Oh, you got a little on a VWAP? Okay. No, it just hit the trend now anyway. All right. I mean, it hit the 9 anyway. Yeah, we talked about Zevo this morning. I don't see anything to do now. No go on Microsoft now. It's kind of just hanging around here. I don't like it. Myrna 420.40. All right, let's put it back in. 420.40 Myrna. $420.40. Good. UPST, what are you doing, guys? What do you like? 295, you liking UPST? Talk to me, gooses. Talk to me. Market's starting to get a little smack-a-dacker here. Tell me what you like. Give me prices. Yes, I like Bros 43.50 buy. Bros is very strong. Very, very strong. We ain't getting a short. Like the vaccine stocks are staying strong, right? Thank you, Adam. UPST. No, it already bounced. 295 buy UPST. Good. What does Bros do? Who cares? As far as day trading is concerned, guys and girls, we don't need to know what a stock does. Jimmy Crackhorn, and I don't care. If it sets up for a trade, that's all I care about. We don't need to know what it does. What is it, though? Oh, they are. Ah, okay. It's a coffee thing? All right, they do coffee. All right, STBC, good. The fact that it is this strong today, you can't be in it too long term because it's only traded for 4 days. But it looks all right now. Myrna. Yeah, I like the 420.40 in Myrna. Down $2 from here. You're in a beyond trend trade. Okay. Again, the 15 and beyond is 112.55. So UPST, you guys like 295 UPST? All right, keep in mind it's got a 50-cent spread, but that's the spot. I like Myrna better if we can spike down. I bought it day one and never selling. No, that's not what we do here, STBC, but I wish you the best of luck. May the force be with you. We never say never to anything. I've owned Apple for 35 years. I sell it occasionally. When you have big profits in stocks, you sell some and then you buy it back when it goes down. At least that's my philosophy. It always has been. How are you down 1,200 in Facebook? Uh-oh, is that KK? KK is back watching. How are you down $1,200 in Facebook? The only spot I said to buy it at all was 355. Welcome back, KK. I'm assuming that's KK. I don't know. What? Facebook has never been a buy for us anyway. I don't know. I got you, ST. That's okay. You have conviction, you stay with it. But again, my advice to anybody, even in long-term trades, is to always take some profits. That's all. You never know what's going to happen. NVIDIA, yes. 208.90. Let's get it out. I like it. Cancel Myrna. That ain't happening. Cancel Bros. That ain't happening. NVIDIA. Uh-oh. My nemesis, NVIDIA. You know me and NVIDIA, guys, small. 208.90. That's down $2 a here. That'll be fine. Do I like calls in NVIDIA? Let's see where we settle out today. It might be. You got in when I said 357. We canceled that order and announced it to everybody. And if you did get in the first time it went to 357, it gave you an 80-cent profit. See that? KHH. If you bought that the first time when I did see 357, it only broke it by 24 cents and went up 80 cents for a profit. So you should not be in Facebook anymore. 80-cent profit is more than enough for me. And then once you have an 80-cent profit, you put in a break-even stop at worse. So that was a winning trade. You guys got UPST at 295? Oh, missed it by a penny. Jeez Louise. Look at this one, guys and girls. 295. Just gave you $1.75 in UPST in 30 seconds. $2 now. $2.20. How many guys in the room got it? Get out. Take $3 right now. Oh, my God. Holy mackerel. So, again, technical analysis, guys and girls. The stock went from $303 to $295 and exactly – no, get out, Chris. Take the trade. Who cares what happens? And exactly hit our 65 and our 200 and gave a $2 trade in 30 seconds. Crazy. We don't trade on hope. KHH. We do not trade on hope. There you go, guys. Boom. I wish I cheated too. They missed it by a penny for $3. All right, now everybody be out of UPST. There you go. Very nice. There's your trade. The stock just went up $4. Oh, my God. Wow, wow, wow. That's sick. Sick. Myrna bounced. Again, we don't trade on hope. Yeah, but it's pretty good on the technicals, though, Jim. It works. Gold and silver, I don't really have an opinion. I mean, a lot of people say buy gold for a safe haven if the market crashes down. But look how bad this has been. Nope, I don't see anything in gold or silver. It's horrible looking charts. Upset made my daily goal. There you go, Davey. Nice job. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Almost do a double top and upset too now, right? 304 would be a double top. I like that if it went right there. Pfizer still going up. All the vaccine stocks are strong today, right? Yep, Pfizer's a better buy than sell. No question about it on a pullback. Bros is a better buy than sell. No question about it on a pullback. ATER. Yeah, we've been down this road before, right? Yeah, I don't see it, JP. Kind of just sitting. Sitting. Myrna going up again. Yep. Myrna already did the double top early, so not again. Right? It hit 429.60. It got to 429.50. Went down $3. Bros. You can buy Bros if it gets there. Yes, 100%. I like Bros. It's not pulling in, though. It's very strong. Oh, sorry, John. I know. I go Donkey Kong. I go whatever. I'll try not to be as confusing anymore. Goldman would be great down there, Connie. If we get down to 372, it's not going to happen. Now, you wait for trades like UPST once a day, and it makes your entire day if you cheat by 2 pennies. No, AVRI is not a far from moving average, James. Doesn't have the relative strength. It's only 60 cents above the moving average. Again, it's a much better buy than sell. Buy on a pullback. UPST stands for upset. I didn't cheat. I'm drinking iced coffee, by the way. Someone asked me before what I'm drinking. HOME. I don't got an HOME. I can't get it up there for some reason. I don't know why. You don't want to know my opinion on AMC. Anybody who's long this stock with diamond hands. I can give you a whole soliloquy of why I think these guys will be out of business by the end of next year. But that's not something to talk about now. $40 is daily in AMC. I would love it if we got down there. But you see how this thing got to resistance, guys? AMC hit our 200 EMA, could not get above. It's down over $1. SDC, I will look to buy some back at $6.30 for a swing. Otherwise, I don't like it. Fubo, I don't see anything to do here. NUE, holy crap. NUE got to $94. You want to talk about a stock breaking a major level on a weekly level? That was at 104. 100 call October 15th. I don't know. So I think this could see, I would love this to see 88.50. That's where I would love to get involved in this thing. 88.50. This thing looks horrible. I can't buy it. Broke daily. It broke weekly. 88.50 is the next spot. Doesn't mean it can't bounce at any point, but 88.50 is my next spot. And then you wait. In it. All right, we're kind of just floating around now, guys and girls, right? Myrna still looks like a buy. I am waiting to see if RSI gets bought or makes a deal with ESPN. Which one, Donnie? Letter X. Nothing. Another chart that looks horrible. Just broke daily, broke weekly. This was on CNBC a couple of weeks ago. They all love this stock. I remember this one. I was watching these guys. They loved the stock around $27. They all loved it. Now it's $21. Nice call. Idiots. The Fed meeting this week? That's a good question. I don't know. I'll look. EDSA. Now, I'm not interested in EDSA. Not interested in RSI. I don't see it for a day trade. SI doesn't trade enough volume. AstraZeneca, yes. Yes. Yeah, I mean, I like NUE if we can get anywhere near the 84 level. I will be an investor in that company there. I really like that. You got 84 down to 80. 88, I mean. I don't think it's going to happen, but Myrna, 420.80 is good. I love that too, Jim. I don't think it's going to happen. The Fed is this Wednesday. The actual announcement, let's take a look. See what's going on the rest of the week anyway. When I go look for news, guys, I go to marketwatch.com, and then you go to economic calendar. Marketwatch.com, economic calendar. And this will tell us all the economic numbers that are coming out during the week. Yeah, 2 o'clock on Wednesday, the FOMC. So we'll find out about tapering and stuff. Could be another reason why people are buying protection. So 2 o'clock we get the announcement, and then 2:30 Powell does his little speech. So people could be buying protection ahead of that, thinking that they might start tapering sooner. We'll see. AstraZeneca is just a trend trade. Why are you rooting for bros, Jim? What happened? What do you want to do? I don't like the short anymore. It's hitting too close to it. And the stock is very, very strong. Very strong. Oh, yeah. All right. I am not a buyer of AMC, guys. Do not like it, Heros. Don't do it. Don't do it. Myrna. Yes, Myrna's strong like a Bolski. I still like NVIDIA if we can spike down to that 209 level. We're losing volume in this market already, guys and girls. I mean, we're slowing down already. No question about it. This is the first day I can remember, guys, where we did not have a trade early in the morning. Well, unless you got the couple that you cheated on by a couple of pennies. Yeah, I didn't like the bro short anymore, guys. I told you that. It's too strong. I don't like it. It's very, very strong. It is not a short. What are you guys doing in Myrna? What are you doing? Talk to me. It's a little choppy up here, but if we clear 429.50, I think it goes higher. Right? It's tested it 4 times now, but are you guys doing anything? I'm with you on Myrna. I don't know if the sellers are drying up. I just think the volume's disappearing a little bit. But we look at Myrna, it's hit this 4 times now, testing this 429.50 level. Bros is beautiful off the 1 minute all day. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Hit the 1 minute down here at 43.60. It's up $4 from there. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to short stocks that are very, very strong unless we get a far from moving average trade now, which it's kind of setting up for. So let's see. Go, Brosy. Go, Brosy. It's a better buy. Guys, what are you doing in Myrna? Just from all my Benzinga people, I have 100 people in my private trading room, which is short to the general, closed to the general public right now. I will give everybody in Benzinga an opportunity to come visit this week, which is the last week before boot camp, and you can come hang out and trade with us for this week. And if you're interested, you can hang out and sign up for the boot camp. You're waiting to see if Myrna breaks above the 200 on the 15. Yeah, like I said, it's tested it 5 times. I'm with you. Net. Yeah. Net's kind of sitting right in the middle of everything. Could be a short of 130. Micron. And 100 outside the room. Sydney, you're not allowed to come visit. You're banned from the room. I would have a large order to buy Bros at 45.40. That thing is just strong like a bull. It's insane. I mean, this thing could have 50 written all over it today. Today. And people are selling everything and buying Bros. Well, that's 4 times now Myrna pushed up there, right? All right, Ken, so what are you saying? Don't buy it? It's not ready yet anyway. Which one looks good to go back in? ASAN. Is it a good long at this price? The daily chart looks great. I don't think it's a great long for a trade. But the daily looks very good. I don't know if I'd initiate a position, but I certainly wouldn't be selling it. Looks okay on the daily chart. Ken, Sydney says hello. I mean, Bros is probably, he said, bless your heart, probably just a better buy on a consolidation even up here. The stock is just strong, strong, strong. The video is coming in like a potato locky. Nah, not really. Softy. Facebook. All these charts look the same, right? They all look like they're heading back down now. Break these chains of love. So we need a pullback in Myrna. That's a strong one we want to buy. Obviously, Bros we want to buy. That thing doesn't pull back at all. Nothing like trading and ASMR at the same. Keep talking, typing, and sipping, please. Not sure what that means, but I'll sip a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, I hear you, Ken. It's just been a crap day for everybody. And we're not losing money. It is what it is. Lucid long. 22.75. All right. Again, it's not going to be a big giant trader, but then you got 22.35 below that, Sebastian. So I'd probably do both. Mr. Crocs, man. Kind of just sitting. I don't see a lot of volume. I don't see a trade to do. Again, when I'm putting up all these stocks, guys, I'm looking for trades. Right? I'm looking for places to get in for a trade. So let's put that NVIDIA back out, right? 208.90. Starting to come in now. I like that down there. 208.90 NVIDIA for a trade. Let's do it. Boom. Full trade. Yeah. I mean, I would think, beyond spiking all over the place, there's no number. I would think maybe at some point during the day, we'll go to pull back at least to the 9 EMA in Bros at some point during the day. Facebook getting a smacker, guys. Okay, Facebook, 353.90 for a trade. 353.90. Faster the better. Now things are starting to come in. Yep, that must be KK. KK's down 1,700 now. KK, is that you, KK? Why are you still in this stock? It was a trade to make 80 cents on that. Facebook will give like 60 cents. Yep, that's KK. I can't tell you whether to exit or not. Now, you should have taken a trade out of it. Now I can't tell you to exit. I see. We're making new lows, but these stocks aren't coming in now. They're kind of just hanging there. Yeah, you could try IRNT. I like it down there, Jim. $29. Yes. Well, let's look at it this way, guys and girls. Yeah, exactly. Let's look at it this way. There are a lot of people that are getting crushed today. We're not doing that. So it is what it is. I like to see we make new lows, but these things are making new highs without the spiders making new lows. Look, there's days that are going to happen like this. That's right. There are going to be days where there's nothing to do. What are you going to do? It happens. Today hasn't been a great trading day. There's been a couple of trades that set up if you cheated by a little bit and you made a few banana skins. That's about it. So we're going to give Facebook a couple more minutes. We'll give the video a couple more minutes. See if we can get the smack and dacka here in either of these things. Got one trade. Oh, that's one more than I got. So a couple of things I want to talk about before we get out of here, guys and girls, especially for my Benzinga folks. We'll do this quickly. This is for anyone who wants to buy the course, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. All right. We have discounted it by 10% for anyone from Benzinga. So the cost of this course now is $447. The course is the best thing I've ever done as far as teaching trading. It's over 6 hours, guys and girls. It has everything for beginning traders, advanced traders, struggling traders. It's just insane. We start with stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, best money you will ever invest in yourself. Yeah, this is the best day trading course that's ever been done. I'm not just saying it because I did it. It is. It's just spectacular. But the best part about this, guys, okay, every Thursday night for anyone who purchases this course, you click on this and we're going to mentor you forever. Every Thursday night. We have the best meetings on Thursday nights to go over the course. It's spectacular. If you miss one, every Thursday night is archived. Archived. So you can go back, swing trades. We talk about each of these little things for an hour and 22 minutes. Psychology, trend trade, regular moving average trade. Everything is archived. So even if you miss a Thursday night, you get this all. Courses, that's a bargain. Yeah, it is. I mean, for $447, you're getting me every Thursday night forever. You get all these videos. If you miss a Thursday night, it's archived, and you get me every Thursday night. So that's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. Okay, $447. You have the course forever, and you get me every Thursday night. Bros coming in. Let's look. Finally. Yeah, it's coming in. All right, so you got 45.85 and 45.10. All right, these things are taking too long and not happening. Myrna missed double top by 7 cents and blew through. Yep. Well, we were waiting for Myrna to get above this level, that 429.50 level. 4 times it pushed against it, right? Yeah, Facebook just bounced 60 cents. That was the buy in Myrna above 429.50. So what'd you do? Why are you saying go? Thank you, Diane. And by the way, Diane's with us every Thursday night. Long Myrna posted for Momo. I did not see that post. Anyone else buy Myrna? Above 429.50. All right. I mean, I said it. If it gets above 429.50, it's a buy. Take some profits. You're up $2.50, guys. So this is a different kind of trade for you Benzinga people, right? Myrna, if we look, tried to get above 429.50 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So we said if it does get above 429.50, it's going to explode. So a bunch of people in the room, Solomon and a bunch of others, grabbed it above 429.50 and now have a $3 profit in the trade. There you go. So how many people got that, guys? Certainly be out of most of the stock up here. That's a $4 trade. Paul got it. Solomon obviously got it. This is all happening live in the trading room too, guys. 442 would be the short, and definitely get out of the whole thing up there. So that's a $3 trade. It took about a minute and a half. Made my target today thanks to Dave teaching. Excellent. All right, Solly's out. Everybody be out of the Myrna. That was your trade. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Spectacular. Spectacular. Nice job, Solly. Now, see what happens. Now it's setting up for a trend trade, right? Bros couldn't even get to the 9. Yes, day trade only. Okay, one other thing I'm going to do, guys and girls. I have to dig in a pot for the meatball today. Yeah, everything's a day trade. One other thing I'm going to do, guys. Everybody who's with us, if you want to come in and trade with us this week, because this is the last week, we have our boot camp next week. Write down my email. My strategy is to buy high, sell low. There you go, Kathy. Write down my email, dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. You guys can come hang out with us this whole week for free with me. Watch us trade every single day and get all these trades. Everyone except Sydney. All right, dgreen927@yahoo.com. We'll get them to post that in a little bit. So Wall Street Global Trading Academy, if anyone wants us to purchase the course, I'll see you every Thursday night. And dgreen927@yahoo.com. Come hang out with us for the rest of the week. Okay, dgreen927@yahoo.com. Where you going in bros? 9? So you got 46 and 45.20. All right, I'll do this in bros. I really like the 45.20. Yeah, I'm going to do it very small at 46. If it holds, we can add to it. But I don't mind. Come on. Really? Really, Nestor? It just popped up like that? Gotta be kidding. Yeah, Ray, on days like this, you don't look. You just get your if there are things you want to buy more of at some point, which I'm not ready to, you start adding to little things if you can. All right, so bros, you got 46.02 and 45.25. I like 45.20 in bros. 45.20. That's the trend. Come to me, come to me, come to me. You got a little AMD long term? All right, see what happens. Yes, Myrna, I think we'll set up for a trend trade. Yes. Oh, no, bros at 45.20 will make a full trade. I like it, Joseph. I don't think it's getting there. But I like it. Full trade, 45.20. NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA, again, just looks like a short now. Right? Look how long it's taken to get to our 209. It's taken forever. Forever. Yeah. What? AABB. Ooh. 50 cent stopping, bros. Yeah, we're not getting it, guys, so don't worry about it. We want to buy Myrna now on a pull. UPST is dead. Facebook is dead, rallying a little bit. Got the 354.50. I mean, on our pivot point, Facebook would have been a great trade. On our pivot point. Right? That would have been spectacular. But we didn't get there. Softy staying weak. Better short than buy. I don't see it. Yeah, all right. Let's go bros on the trend nest if we get down there, right? That 45.20 level. That I like. Nobody cares, Solomon. Jimmy Crackhorn and nobody cares. 45.30 is the fib also, Ken. All right, good. Good. Made my target today. Excellent, guys. Guys, have any Benzinga peeps while we're dead and we have another 5 minutes? Any other stocks you want me to take a look at for you? Could be long-term, short-term. Again, Wall Street Global Trading Academy for the video and dgreen92. Guys, as soon as we finish, you can start coming into the room at dgreen927@yahoo.com. All right? So anyone who's here, the minute we're done, you can start coming in. dgreen927@yahoo.com. Oxy, let's look. Good, Richard. Oxy's oil, right? Sitting right in the middle of everything. I don't see anything to do. First time here. Started getting real interested. Look, currently appreciate your press subscribe. Need to go. Sufficiency in your wallet. Got it. Yeah, I don't see anything in Oxy long term. Now I got 20 requests, so let's look. NXE is a lottery ticket. If you like it, you buy a little more at 450. Zoom. Longer term is a weak looking chart. I do not like it anywhere. It's got a big gap to fill on the way up, but that is an ugly looking chart in Zoom. Starbucks, I think, is always good long term. Daily chart. Again, another one that looks bad. You got 109. And then 104 in Starbucks. Palantir, I love long term. We go in Palantir down at the 21 level or 18 level. I still like it long term. That's a good one to buy on any big dips. We get down to 25 or 23. I like that. All right, we got through a bunch of them, guys. Guys, if you come into the room, okay, I got a feeling it's going to be a very slow day today. I'll be able to answer any questions that you guys have. NUE has broken some big levels. I'd love to get NUE for a swing trade if we can get down to, $89. I don't think it's going to happen. I like that one long term if we get down there. Think or Swim won't let you short BNTX. All right, 355 was a spot. Microsoft. We're sitting on the 4 hour right now. All right, it doesn't look great. Look, if you bought a little bit here, JW, so we went to our 4 hour chart to find Microsoft. 294.10, and it's sitting right on it now. But it just looks so weak to me. I wouldn't give that a lot of room. I'll tell you that right now. Not give that a lot of room. Tesla. All right, let's go Tesla daily. We just broke some levels in Tesla on the daily. So I have some support at 700 in Tesla in case we get a smack-a-dacker. Yeah, I mean, 700 is the first spot I would even consider looking at Tesla. And in a bad market, I think we can come into 640 in Tesla. That is our 200 on a daily chart. I'm just giving you longer term stuff. NVAX. NVAX is just a better buy, guys. I don't like the short in NVAX, Kenny. I think it's just a better buy. Bros, you bought a little on the 9. I thought you canceled the 9, you son of a beeswax. Stop changing. Couldn't help myself. All right. No orders for the moment, guys. We'll see what the next move is. Docs. Always go to daily chart when you guys ask me. You know, some of these stocks are looking very weak now. We're starting to break down. Docs, I like around the 75 level. That would be nice. Roku and AMD. Again, Roku's breaking down now. I'll go to weekly and try to find something. I mean, Roku needs to hold 310. That is a huge level in Roku. That's a huge level in Roku. 310. Daily, weekly. If I was long that, I'd be praying that it holds 310. NVIDIA down, Baba. Yeah, Baba's far away from right now. NVIDIA's coming back down. Let me get to my 5. Yeah, but it's going slow as crap now, NVIDIA. UPST down. Let's look. Yeah, I don't like UPST now. It's tested this level 4 times, right? Bros. All right. We got 45.30 and 44. I love Bros at 44.50. Well, we said it was going to pull back to the 9 at some point. Now let's see if it pulls back to the 15, Julian. Yes, Baba's a 52-week low, and I'm not ready to buy it. I do not like Baba at these levels. That's it. I hear the end is near.
How we doing, Mr. Green?
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Just a couple quick notes. All the links are in the description for Wall Street Global Trading Academy as well as for Benzinga Pro. And just real quick, this Wednesday, we have an EV conference. So we will not be having our normal show. Starting at 9 a.m., we'll have a lineup of different speakers from companies such as Arcimoto, General Motors, Worksport, Interlink Electronics. So we got a bunch of good companies that are in the EV space. If you're interested in EVs, definitely participate in the conference. If you sign up today, you will be entered to win a free year of Benzinga Pro. That's about a $1,500 value. So definitely worth signing up for. But yeah, I'm excited for that. David, we'll be back live with you tomorrow morning, but no live trading on Wednesday.
Gotcha. All right, guys and gals. I'll see a bunch of you in the room. D-Green927 at Yahoo guy was all posted. All right. Thank you, guys.
Yep. And coming up right now, we got SPAX Attack. Link is in the SPAX Attack, baby. Link is in the chat. So please join us over there. Mitch and Chris will be going live here in a couple minutes.
Over and out.